Universe is like a web of surprises and mysteries. In this episode, I'm gonna take you to the another strange but surprisingly amazing reality of space. If a neutron star enters the solar system, it will be like another sun to us. Can we enjoy two sunrises in a day? Or the earth will start revolution around the new member of solar system? And what will happen with a hot and bright star that we call sun? Before I discuss about possibilities and assumptions, I must tell you what neutron stars really is. While in space there are millions or billions of stars. Without getting in too much detail, there are roughly three types of stars. Stars with low mass like our sun. A low mass star consumes its core hydrogen and converts it into helium. The core shrink and heat up gradually, and the star gradually become more luminous. Once a star like the sun has exhausted its nuclear fuel, its core collapses into a dense white dwarf. It will shine until the core has no longer emitting heat or light. Then the white dwarf will become a black dwarf. So stars with high mass, or the giant star, when a star at least 10 times more massive than our sun, run out of fuel, having already fused hydrogen into helium, and helium into other elements from carbon and oxygen. What left behind? Iron in all the way deep in the star's core. With the weighty atom of metal heart, it has nothing left to bind together. It reached the end of its lifespan, and it explodes, and ends up as the black hole. But when a massive star fused its all fuel, it took millions of years. When it's no longer able to produce sufficient energy to maintain its structure, it collapses under its own gravitational pressure and explodes in a supernova. The star shoots most of its innards into space, seeding the galaxy with heavy metals. But what left behind? The cataclysmic eruption, a ball of matter so dense that atomic electrons collapse from their quantum orbits into the depth of atomic nuclei. The death of that star is the birth of a neutron star, one of the densest known objects in the universe. Neutron star is like a ball of size of a city, around 15 to 20 kilometers area. In this ball, proton and electron fuse into neutrons and convert a fractionless liquid that called a superfluid, surrounded by a crust. This material is incredibly dense. You can understand as the whole mass of Mount Everest in a space of sugar cube. An average star is millions of kilometers wide. But the neutron star, which is only 15 to 20 kilometers wide, the neutron star spins much more rapidly than its parent. The fastest neutron star on record rotates over 700 times every second. If a neutron star moves to our solar system and end up next to our planet, while it's difficult to make accurate calculation, we can just assume. Entry of neutron star will not less than a chaos. All the planets including Earth will fall out from their orbit. The same thing will happen with the asteroids and other objects in the space. They can be pushed off somewhere far from the solar system, or can be collide into each other. There is also possibility that asteroid will hit the Earth. That can be destruction. After the fallout of its orbit, Earth will end up somewhere outside the habitable zone. It can drop the temperature on the surface of Earth. That also can freeze all the water on Earth. We will experience the ice age, but this will be so much that it can freeze almost everything. But neutron star also can push Earth closer to the sun, which can lead global warming. Not the global warming that we are facing, but the situation of falling into a volcano. Neutron stars have the strongest gravitational force in the universe. If there is something on neutron star surface, it will be flat. The magnetic field of neutron star is million times stronger than the Earth. If you are just 1000 kilometers away from the neutron star, it will dissolve your entire body. The magnetic field is so strong that it can even change the sequence of atom. The neutron star can stretch the moon and earth and then swallow them up. It can take years, or maybe it will happen in just blink. In this slow process, neutron star will suck the ozone layer and atmosphere. It will be hard to survive without atmosphere or ozone layer. If somehow we manage to keep ourselves safe, then radiation will affect almost everything on planet. Neutron star can dissolve all the planets and also can dissolve the sun. But there is a possibility that a neutron star can merge with our sun, and that will form a binary star. However, the closest neutron star to our Earth is about 400 light years far. So there is nothing to worry about now. And what is a binary star? How it will behave? Well, this is for another episode. So keep watching ProLife.